Hey there, future scientists! Isn't it amazing how things work? We can use simple stuff to make incredible things like our own electric motor. Building stuff ourselves helps us understand how the world works. Ready for some hands-on fun? Let's get started. To build our motor, we need a few things. Don't worry, these are all simple items you can find around the house or at a local store. I bet you have most of them at home already. Let's take a look at what we need and why each item is important. First, we need a battery. This is our source of energy, the zap that makes things go. Batteries store chemical energy and convert it into electrical energy, which is essential for our motor. Next, we need some wire. This will carry the electricity just like a highway. Copper wire is perfect because it's a great conductor of electricity, allowing the current to flow smoothly. And of course, what's an electric motor without a magnet? This will create the invisible force that makes our motor spin. Magnets are crucial because they interact with the electric current to produce motion. Lastly, we need a paper clip. We'll use this to make the spinning part of our motor. See? Simple stuff. The paper clip will act as a support and help in the rotation process. Now let's gather these items and get ready to build our motor. Now for the exciting part, building our motor. This is a fun and educational project that will help us understand the basics of electromagnetism and how motors work. Let's dive in and get started. First, take your wire and wrap it around the battery a few times. This creates a coil which is essential for generating a magnetic field. Be sure to wrap it tightly and evenly. Make sure to leave some wire free on both ends. This is important for our circuit. These free ends will act as our connectors, allowing electricity to flow through the coil. Now take your paper clip and straighten it out. This will be the spinning part of our motor. The paper clip will act as the rotor, which will spin when the motor is powered. Bend the paper clip into a loop at the center. This loop will help it balance and spin freely. It's crucial to get this part right for smooth operation. Tape the magnet to the bottom of your battery. The magnet will create a magnetic field that interacts with the coil, causing the paper clip to spin. Now, hold the two free ends of the wire against the ends of the battery. This completes the circuit and allows electricity to flow through the coil. Watch what happens to the paper clip. Amazing, right? The interaction between the magnetic field and the electric current causes the paper clip to spin, demonstrating the basic principles of how motors work. So, how does this work? It's all thanks to the magic of electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is a fundamental force of nature that combines electricity and magnetism into one powerful phenomenon. It's the reason why so many of our modern technologies work, from electric motors to generators and even the devices we use every day like smartphones and computers. When electricity flows through the wire, it creates an invisible force called a magnetic field. This magnetic field is what allows us to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, which is the basis for many machines and gadgets. This field interacts with the magnet we attach to the battery. The interaction between the magnetic field and the magnet is what generates motion, and this principle is used in countless applications, from simple toys to complex industrial machinery. This interaction creates a pushing and pulling force that makes the paperclip spin. This is a basic demonstration of how electric motors work, converting electrical energy into mechanical motion. It's like magic, but it's science. The principles of electromagnetism are not only fascinating but also incredibly useful in our daily lives. Now that you've built your own motor, keep experimenting. Try to understand how changing different variables affects the motor's performance. Try different sizes of wire, different types of magnets, or even more batteries. Each change can teach you something new about how electromagnetism works. Remember, science is all about exploring and having fun. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn and the more exciting discoveries you'll make. Like and subscribe to Middle Smart for more cool science experiments, and don't forget to share your amazing motor creations with us. We love seeing what you come up with and how you apply these scientific principles in creative ways.